Hi guys, welcome back. Let's learn how to easily change the speak screen voice on your iPhone and iPad. The speak screen feature on iOS and iPadOS is a helpful accessibility tool that reads on-screen text aloud, making it easier to consume articles, emails, notes, web pages, and more. So whether you use it for convenience, multitasking, language learning, or improved accessibility, the default voice may not always match your preference. Thankfully, Apple gives you the ability to switch between different voices, accents, speaking speeds, and languages so the listening experience feels more natural and enjoyable. That said, let me show you how it's done the quick way. So first you have to launch the settings app on your iPhone or iPad. After that, you have to choose the accessibility option. Then you have to scroll down a bit and choose read and speak option. Then you have to head over to the voices section and tap on the voices option. After that, you have to choose the preferred voice. Then you can perfectly adjust the speech rate, pitch, and speech volume depending on your preference. For a more personalized experience, you can also use the equalizer to perfectly fine-tune the voice on your device, and that's about it. Changing the speak screen voice on iOS and iPadOS is a simple way to personalize your device and make text-to-speech more comfortable to use every day. With multiple voice options, regional accents, and adjustable speech speeds available, you can create a listening experience that suits your needs perfectly. So whether you prefer a clearer voice for reading articles or a more natural tone for long listening sessions, Apple makes customization pretty easy and hassle-free. Once you have selected your preferred voice, Speak Screen becomes even more useful for productivity, accessibility, and everyday convenience. Now that you have unlocked this pretty helpful accessibility feature, make the most of it to enhance the Speak Screen experience on your device, and I'll catch you up in the next one.